How to start a cash cow YouTube channel in 2023. Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'll not only show you how to start a cash cow YouTube channel in 2023, but I'll also tell you about the various niches available in the cash cow YouTube channels. In addition, I'll be showing you guys examples of channels in various niches while revealing how much they earn. Finally, I'll inform you about YouTube AdSense and other methods you can use to monetize your channel. Stay tuned to discover which Faceless Cash Cow YouTube channel is earning $11,000 per day. Before jumping into this video, please subscribe to the Academy channel and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Many people want to make money on YouTube but don't want to show their faces or are not confident in their speaking abilities. If you're one of those people, don't worry because you can potentially earn a lot of money on YouTube without revealing your identity through Cash Cow YouTube channels. What exactly are Faceless Cash Cow YouTube channels? These are channels that exist solely to make money. These channels typically do not have a host, and most of the work is outsourced to various individuals. Faceless Cash Cow channel owners frequently pay employees to write scripts, collect footage, record voiceovers, and edit videos. They or an assistant upload the finished video to their Cash Cow channel. Popular themes are used to create videos that receive many views and generate a large amount of ad revenue. YouTube's ad revenue is mostly used to monetize Cash Cow channels. These channels can also use affiliate marketing to increase their earnings to absurd levels. We all know that most public figures make money on YouTube, but you don't have to be a public figure to make money on these channels. These channels can still be successful, but it takes a lot of work to find success with your ideas and content team. I'm sure you're wondering how much money these channels bring in. These channels earn money based on their location, the topics they cover, and their audience demographics. A channel in the United States can earn far more than a channel in another third world country. As a result, your earnings per view are determined by your target audience. You'll earn more if most of your viewers are from the United States than from the Middle East. I would advise you to make high-quality videos if you want your channel to succeed. It is necessary to create content that will appeal to your target audience. I think it's best to focus on a specific niche and get into the content they'll enjoy. For example, our channel talks about anything related to making money on YouTube. As a result, anyone interested in making faceless YouTube videos and learning how various software like Pictory is drawn to this. The most difficult aspect of any YouTube channel, even for the highest paid YouTubers, is no one will watch your videos when you first start. But I assure you that this will not last forever. If you continue to provide content that your audience enjoys, the algorithm will eventually start recommending your videos to them, and they will begin subscribing to you. More subscribers imply more advertising money. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Let's look at some Cash Cow YouTube channel ideas now that you know what they are. These YouTube channel ideas could be the key to the future success of your content. For each Cash Cow channel idea, I will include an example of a Cash Cow channel. Looking at these samples will teach you about the various types of videos you can create for your channel. The first example channel is the personal finance niche. You may believe anything about money requires a YouTube personality to anchor it, but the personal finance and investing niche has plenty of faceless Cash Cow channels. People will watch these videos if they are made in a clip or whiteboard format. You can create a successful channel in this category if you have good content or tips. The content does not need to be extremely detailed, and ad prices for this type of content are frequently higher than for other niches. Proactive Thinker, which has over 800,000 subscribers, is a great example of a channel in this niche. When we look at their videos, we notice that most of them are about investing and other finance-related topics. The Social Blade statistics show that this channel generates between $500 and $1,700 per month. That's a lot of money, especially considering it's the only ad revenue. But we know it's not accurate. Those of you who are longtime viewers of the Academy know that Social Blade uses a CPM range of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Meanwhile, the channels in the personal finance niche have CPMs of roughly $35 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means that a channel like Proactive Thinker that receives 1.9 million monthly views could be earning $66,500 before YouTube takes its 45% cut. Animal Facts is another great faceless Cash Cow YouTube channel niche. Cute animal videos have long been a YouTube hit. People mostly use YouTube in their early days to watch cat videos. It's no surprise that animal videos continue to be a popular way for people to watch and earn money on YouTube. You can start a profitable animal channel by posting interesting animal facts over stock footage of the animals. It's a great way to create top 10 lists and compilations that pet owners enjoy. Funniest Animals Ever is a great example of a channel in this niche, with over 800,000 subscribers. According to Social Blade statistics, they earn between $533 and $8,000 per month just from advertising revenue. However, my research indicates that faceless cash cow channels in the animal niche earn between $9 and $11 CPMs. So a channel like Animal Facts that receives 278,000 views per month may be earning between $2,500 and $3,050 per month. The celebrity niche is another faceless cash cow YouTube channel niche. Whatever your feelings about celebrities are, they are always a hot topic for the content. These channels have lower CPMs than other niches on this list. However, they can be profitable because of the number of views they receive. Celebrity news or gossip channels would be a huge moneymaker. When using this cash cow niche, copyright concerns must be avoided. You must ensure that you and your team create content that are fair use and can withstand legal challenges. This Happened is an example channel in this niche. This channel has over 460,000 subscribers and focuses solely on producing videos about celebrities. For example, you can find videos about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard court case on their channel. Looking at the Social Blade stats, we can see that this channel earns between $974 and $15,600 per month just from ad revenue, according to Social Blade. This is one of the examples where the Social Blade is right. I estimate CPMs in the celebrity niche to be between 50 cents and $2 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means that This Happened, with over 3.7 million monthly views, may be earning between $1,850 and $7,400 per month. Depending on how you produce these videos, recipes and cooking advice can also be classified as YouTube cash cow channels. People are constantly looking for new recipes and kitchen equipment, so food advice and kitchen hacks can be a fantastic cash cow channel option. On top of the ad money, this is an excellent channel specialty idea to pair with another, such as the Top 10, where you can list the top 10 kitchen equipment for every purpose. These videos have the potential to generate a large number of affiliate commissions. An example channel in this niche is called Twisted, with over 2 million subscribers. Looking at Social Blade statistics, we can see that they earn anywhere from $1,500 to $24,100 per month. However, my research indicates that channels in the cooking niche earn between $3 and $12 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. That means that a channel like Twisted with 5.5 million monthly views can earn between $16,500 and $66,000 per month before YouTube takes its share. The Compilations niche is another excellent cash cow channel. Compilations are ideal for people who do not want to show their faces or speak in their YouTube videos. It's fantastic because you'll create videos on various topics using other people's content. These channels may be quite popular and receive many views, but be wary of the legal ramifications of utilizing someone else's content. There are several copyright considerations to be aware of when using this style, so be cautious. With over 3.52 million subscribers, Unusual Videos is a great example channel in this niche. It's difficult to estimate the revenue for compilation videos since the videos could be compilations of anything. All of the videos on this channel have millions of views, indicating that many people enjoy watching these types of videos. So if you want to get into this niche, check out this channel. The luxury niche is another faceless cash cow niche. Creating videos about high-end items, designers, and spending is an excellent way to monetize your YouTube channel. Because the items are more expensive, the audience is likely to see more expensive advertisements. This generates a lot of money for the owners of fancy cash-munching channels. On YouTube, discussing wealthy people and their lifestyles is extremely popular. These videos are easy to make and repeat the same themes repeatedly. Videos about what billionaires and ultra-wealthy people buy with their money are popular. They are so popular that companies will pay a lot of money to have their ads placed in front of these viewers. My research indicates that the luxury niche has a $60 CPM. Therachists is a great example of a channel in this niche. There are over 15 million subscribers to this channel. When you watch their videos, you will notice that they only discuss celebrities' most luxurious and expensive items. With over 5.5 million views this month, it's likely that the richest is earning $330,000 per month. That's over $11,000 a day before YouTube's 45% cut. The most well-known examples of cash cow channels are the top 10 YouTube channels. The majority of these channels, which are extremely successful, are solely focused on generating revenue through viewership. The top 10 and top 5 videos are extremely entertaining and have the potential to receive millions of views. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you.